I'm going to mix Jack Tennessee Honey and Rum Chata to hopefully make Honey Nut Cheerios.
This smells really good. So good. I want to just...
Babe, what the hell are you doing?
Oh, that's nice, guys.
Stop it. All right, so we're going to do 2 ounces. Well, we're going to do equal parts of the Tennessee Honey and the Rum Chata. Since there's 2 of us, I'm going to do 2 ounces, and we're each going to get 1 ounce. All right, so this is equal parts of Jack Daniel's Tennessee Honey.
Okay, hold on.
And Rum Chata. How many times are you going to smell
Okay, hold on. I'm pulling a Dave here because I got to smell it like 19 times. So hold on.
Is it mock Dave Day?
Did you smell that?
I don't know. I haven't smelled it yet.
This smells like the milk from Honey Nut Cheerios.
Can we just try it?
Okay.
Cheers.
Oh. Oh.
I get it. It's close.
Oh,
close.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's one you guys got to do.
I get it. It's close.
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah. I wish...
Oh, my gosh.
I wonder if it would be different with Bailey's. What do you think? Because you get the little bit of the Rum Chata spice.
It won't. Are you going to finish that?
Can you